Hello everyone, I'm Erika Takara, and my group and I will be presenting our 3D printed back brace. Here is a little introduction or a background of our project. So our project idea was to create a back brace to alleviate back pain and to correct posture. An example of that is scoliosis, which is an abnormal curvature of the spine. You can see this in this figure. Right now, there are several braces available to correct posture. The Boston brace is the most commonly prescribed for scoliosis today. There are also other models like the Wilmington brace and the Milwaukee brace. But a problem this brace seems to have is that they're bulky, restrictive, heavy, and not appealing to the eye. Our motivation for this project was to build a comfortable and mobile brace, one that is convenient to wear outdoors. We also tried to come up with a model which addresses some of the issues I've mentioned in the previous slide. So a model that is not too restrictive, but breathable and visually appealing. The inspiration for the design of our 3D model was the UNYQ 3D printed scoliosis brace.
Hi, my name is Ijeoma Okoye. On our project, we encountered a few challenges when working on it. One of the issues we faced was how to integrate flexibility while maintaining efficiency. So we wanted to create a brace that was rigid enough to hold the patient's back in place, but still flexible enough that the patient can move around, hence the choice of our materials. At the end of the day, braces can be quite restricting, but we tried to make sure that ours wasn't too restricting in our design. Another issue we faced working on this project was where to place the straps. That's the location of the straps. This was also a challenge for us but we decided on adjustable straps that can be removed and shifted so it is convenient for the patient and that they can put it on without need for assistance. Another issue we faced was finding the right materials, which was also a difficulty for us. Like I said earlier, we wanted a material that the patient would be able to move around in, but was still rigid enough for them for it to hold their back in place. We also wanted a material that was resistant to wear and very breathable, hence our choice for a CPU filament, which is very flexible but at the same time very rigid. For our sketch, one of our major targets was to create a back brace that was comfortable yet efficient for the patient. The design of our model allows the person to bend down and do other activities and move from place to place without being too restricted. The design of our model extends from the upper back to the lower back. This was so that the brace covers every portion of the back and is able to hold every part of the back in place without forgetting about the upper back or the lower back. The design of our model opens from the side to give the body room for accommodation and breathability.